Hi, Drew. Are you doing your tummy time? Good boy. Superman. And you flipped your head? Good boy. What are you going to do now? You going to fall asleep on me? Are you camera shy? Oh, Big Brother's here, checking on things. Hey, Jackson. Let's go back to the cute guy. This nice quilt Mariah gave me. Oh, we have a visitor on the quilt. That's nice. What do you think of that, Drew? What do you think of the Big Brother? Say, hey, doggy.